An interesting story for you, co-founding the company.
Yeah.
Tell us about that, and then get into your presentation for us, please.
I have a cute story. Can I start?
You
with
have
that
a huge
first?
story.
A
Then
cute
get into
story,
it.
yeah. Okay.
All right, let's have it.
So, 2 years ago, we were taking a vacation in a beautiful resort in Southern California, and a gorgeous bathroom, nice jacuzzi tub. So I was just about to soaking and relax, and then I heard this noise where the door get open, and my 7-year-old son barging and says, "Ew, Mom, lock the door." And I was like, okay. So I tiptoe and try to get to the door and close it and try to lock it, and only to found there's no lock on this huge, beautiful walnut barn door. There was no lock. And so the rest of the story is I couldn't relax anymore because we are a lock manufacturer. INOX, we are a decorative premium lock manufacturer, and I spent the rest of my 3 months wondering why that 5-star resort does not put a lock on the barn door, and only to find out that there wasn't one available in the marketplace. There's just simply no locks available. So then we spent about 18 months actually developed this barn door lock that actually integrated into your jamb so you don't see the locking mechanism, and it gives you the privacy when the barn door actually closes. You can simply turn that thumb turn, and that will lock, that will push that deadbolt out and then lock into the barn door. So it's a reverse thinking. Instead of putting your lock on the door, you're putting the lock in the jamb, and the strike is on the lock. So that gives you the privacy you wanted. And it also provides a safety. So if somebody fainting there or your kid locked themselves in there, you can easily push through that little tiny pin on the door with a key or something very simple like a little screwdriver or something, and push it through, and that will release the lock. So that gives you the emergency egress, what we call it. We have 6 different designs as far as the trims. Sorry, I should have presented this as I was talking about it. But as you can see, the locking and unlocking is as simple as just turning the thumb turn. And that little pin there, you can push it through the hole and it releases the lock. We have 6 different designer finishes in stock. We also have different escutcheons, also thumb turns that are designed with ADA compliances, American Disability Act. So please come to visit our booth at 5631, which is literally 2 doors just down from this aisle. And you will see a lot of beautiful door hardware locks that are engineered beautifully, and that's really what INOX is about. Thank you.
Thank you, Qianyan. The only thing more uncomfortable than a story about someone walking in on someone into the bathroom is a story up on stage about someone walking in on someone in the bathroom. That's all right, though.
Well, there's the innovation, right? That's the beginning of something we need, a solution, and that's what we're trying to do.
It brings a whole new meaning to I came up with the idea when I was in the bathroom.
Yes.
All right, anyway, enough of that. Questions from you guys. Who's got any questions for Qianyan here? Hands up, one right down here.
Is this readily available in Canada?
Yes.
Simple question, simple answer.
My question is, would you like the name of a hotel that needs those?
I wouldn't embarrass them, but we've got several big hotel hospitality projects that already spec'd us now in there because that is a fantastic solution.
My
Yes.
daughter visited me down here too.
Oh. Thank you.
Okay.
So if the lock is out like that and the door happens to hit the lock, is there like a little metal plate right there that would protect so the door doesn't end up getting like damaged from that lock being out?
That's a very good question. The lock is out that protrude
Like how that
a little bit
picture.
out, yes. Actually, that's a very good question. I'll definitely bring it to our engineers and said you asked that question. So at this moment, there isn't something to prevent it, but as the deadbolt, really easy to get pushed backing. So what I would think is it most likely will bounce back without really damaging the door. These track systems usually have a stop that when the door passes and goes back, it sets certain points. But yes, if somebody accidentally open it, just like your deadbolt at home,
Right.
if it's in a protruded position, somebody slammed the door, it could bump
Right.
into that.
I was just wondering if there was a little like metal plate on the side then that would, oh,
You could put that on the edge of your door, yes, like a corner piece. Yes, very
All right,
good
we'll
idea.
We will do one more question. Anybody? Hands up anywhere? There's one right back here.
Is that something, if there's already a door there, that would be able to be added after?
Yes, it's a prep where you can cut on the jamb,
Okay.
a standard door prep that either your framer or a carpenter could come in and open it. We have a full instruction sheets online telling the installers whether it's how to prep a drywall condition, if there's no trims, or if it's a wood trim cased door openings, and how to prep that. So it is definitely doable if you already have it framed and there's no lock. Yes, absolutely.
All right, thank you. Qianyan said it herself. A very good question. Maybe the stumper. So the T-shirt goes to the question about the door protection. I'm going to rudely throw it to you. Will you pass this behind? Oh, never. Debbie's going to help me out. Terrific. Big round of applause for Qianyan, everybody. Thank you very
Thank you.
much.